There's a brand new working free V-Bucks glitch here in Fortnite that I'll be showcasing during today's video. So if you love free V-Bucks, make sure you stay tuned and watch this video until the end. And also, if you want a chance at getting yourself a free V-Bucks code, all you gotta do is drop a like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Most importantly, let me know in the comments, what would you comp from the item shop if you ended up winning yourself some free V-Bucks? And also, make sure you watch this video until the end. I'll be dropping the V-Bucks code slowly but surely during today's video at random points. I'll be dropping each and every digit for this code, and I'll be talking about a surprise at the end, so make sure you watch this video until the end because that you're not going to want to miss. And also, without further ado, let's get into today's video and showcase to you the brand new free V-Bucks map here in Fortnite Battle Royale that I'll be checking out. So the first thing we got to go ahead and do is head over to the play screen. Now once we're at the play screen, we just got to go to select game mode, and then we got to head over to the island code just like this. I got to type in the code, which is 678023382373, just like this. Right here's the code. All I got to do is click enter, and then as you guys can see, all I got to do is go ahead and click play and then play again. Load up into the match as fast as you can in order to get this done as soon as possible. Now, according to the viral TikTok, this is currently working on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, mobile. People are claiming that they're getting themselves a ton of XP from actually doing this. I'm trying it out for the very first time, so I'm excited, but as you guys can see, we just loaded up into the match, and all I gotta do is just go to start, go to settings, and then click start game, just like this. Now there's a crucial part you have to do before actually starting up the death run, and that is going all the way up here and grabbing yourself the medal. Now as you guys can see, each and every time you grab yourself the medal, a new piece respawns. So what I recommend doing is grabbing 10 plus pieces from this location, and you'll see why later on in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. But as you guys can see, I grabbed myself 23 pieces of metal. We're basically good to go. Now as you guys can see, once you get to this point, we basically have to run across this entire parkour map without getting eliminated. If you get eliminated, you're donezo and you have to restart the entire process all over again. So as you guys can see, it is pretty sketchy, but just take your time and get through this map as fast as you possibly can. Now as you guys can see, once you get to this point, you're gonna see the grappler gun, and basically once you grab that, you want to go across just like this and make sure you do not fall onto the spike traps, because if you fall onto the spike traps, you're donezo and you have to restart the entire process all over again. So take your time, literally, like I said, take your time, don't rush, because if you rush this, you might ruin it and you might not be able to get this done. As you guys can see, boom, we made it to this point. We're good to go. Now all I got to go ahead and do is grappler across this spot, boom, just like that, hop over this way, and we're basically good to go. Now there's one more step you got to go ahead and do in order for this to work, and that is heading up over on this location right up here, as you guys can see. So make sure you get up here and make sure you check your inventory and make sure you still have your medal. You basically want to reconfirm that you have metal, so drop it and repick it up, and that should confirm that right there. And now guys, all we got to do is just drop down this way, and basically we're going to want to go halfway through the death run once again. We want to do this in the most safe and efficient way, so just make sure you still have your grappler on you. Boom, as you guys can see, that was pretty sketchy right there. That was a close call, but there we go. And now we just got to head back over this way, which you guys are going to be able to see here in a second. Now that right there is the toughest spot out of all of this, but it's all good because I'm still going to showcase how to do everything step by step. Alright guys, so the tough spot right here is getting across this part without the grappler. So I'm going to actually see if I can maybe pick up this grappler, potentially, but basically we're going to have to finesse this. We're going to have to go back to that spot as fast as possible. Now this is going to be actually pretty tough to go ahead and do, but as you guys are going to be able to see, I'm going to run it again just to see if I can actually do it. There we go, I got the grappler, boom, finessed, and I made it through. I honestly didn't think that was going to work. I got my medal too. Like I said, the medal was the crucial part, and I got it back. So if you guys do get eliminated, there's still ways to still make it through, which is perfect. Now all you got to do is come this way where you see the half wall, and you're going to find this secret button right here that only is activated once you're done the entire process. Once you do that and you did everything I basically just showcased, click on the secret button. Now, as you guys get to see, as you're going to be able to see, we got an interact button right here, and we have an interact button right here. Now, this one is crucial. It's super important because as you guys could see, the vending machine is actually all the vending machines. We got the Renegade Raider, we got the web shooters right there. We also have the V-Bucks vending machine. We have a lot of stuff as you guys can see. But basically, in order to open this up, this is why you need the medal. So basically come here, interact with it, and if you have medal, it will unlock this location. So that's why the medal is so important. That's why I said at the beginning of the video, having the medal is extremely important. Now, as you guys can see, we have the beautiful Renegade Raider vending machine, which actually gives you a beautiful DMR. We have the web shooters as well, which also gives you a DMR. Interesting. We have the V-Bucks vending machine, which one button says the party is too large, and the other one actually says use the vending machine. And as you guys can see, the game just ended. As soon as I clicked the V-Bucks on the vending machine, the game ended. So does that mean it worked? Because literally right when I clicked square on it, it ended the match. This is the first time I've ever seen this. So this is very, very interesting. I'm gonna wait until the countdown ends here in 29 seconds. But guys, basically you guys were able to see 12, or you were actually able to see 1/3 of all of the V-Bucks numbers and letters on this code. I'm going to be dropping the last 4 digits as soon as we hit 2,000 likes on today's video. So once we hit 2,000 likes, I'm going to drop it in the comments. It could be today, tomorrow, next week, next month. Whenever we hit it, I'll be dropping the last 4 digits. So make sure you're active to the channel and also to this video, and hit that share button as well. I wish you the best of luck. But as you guys can see, I just loaded up into the match, and unfortunately I got no V-Bucks. So this map was a cap. I tested it out, so you don't have to. If you enjoyed, click one of these videos on screen, and thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.